Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will solve a geometric question from CAT 2001. This is a previous year question basically from CAT 2001. So the question is a square whose side is 2 meter has its corners cut away so as to form an octagon with all sides equal. Then the length of each side of the octagon in meters. So basically, since the octagon has all of its sides as equal, it is a regular octagon. Okay, the octagon with all sides equal. So basically, after the corners of the square is removed, the corners are removed. So you will get an octagon, and that octagon is a regular octagon as per the question. Okay, so let me first draw a square whose side is 2 meter. Now let me name the vertices A, B, C and D. Now the corners are cut, right? Removed basically. Similarly, corner B is also removed. Corner D will be removed. And then corner C will also be removed. Now you can see this is an octagon. Okay, see P, Q, R, S, T, U, V and W. These are the vertices of the octagon. We have to find the length of the sides of the octagon. Okay, so since this is a regular octagon, all the sides of the octagon will be equal, and it's also given, right? So let us assume that it is x. Okay, this is x. That means this side will also be x, this side will also be x, this will also be x, this will also be x, and similarly rest of the sides will be of x meter. Okay, now just consider us the triangle TCS. Okay, just look at this triangle. Now since this is a square, this angle will be 90 degree, right? Now this angle, can you find this angle? I have to figure out the relation between this side, okay, CT and CS. Okay, because I know that since this is a right angle triangle, CT square plus CS square is equal to TS square by Pythagoras theorem, right? Now look at this. This is a regular octagon. How do you see in a regular octagon? How do you find the interior angles? It's 180 degree minus 360 degree by the number of sides, which is 8. This gives you the measure of the interior angles. Okay, to find the exterior angles, you will have to minus 180 minus the interior angle, or basically it is 360 degree by n or 8, right? This will give you the interior angle of a regular polygon. When you subtract 180 degree from the interior angle, right, this is the interior angle. When you subtract 180 degree from the interior angle, you will get the exterior angle, right? So this is 360 degree by n. That means what is this? 4 into, I can say 90, 4 into 2, or which is basically 45 degree. That means each exterior angle of the regular octagon is 45 degree. So this angle is theta. This angle will also be theta, and where theta is equal to 45 degree, right? theta is 45 degree. That means this is an isosceles right angle triangle. So what we will get from here? I have to find the relation, right? CT equal to CS. What is the relation? So the relation is basically CT and CS are equal to each other. Why? Because these two angles are 45 degree and angles opposite to sides opposite to equal angles are also equal. That means CT and CS are equal. Okay. So suppose CT is Y. Let us consider CT equal to CS is equal to Y. Okay. Y meters. So what we will get is 2y square. Just substitute y in this equation is equal to x square, right? And you will get y in terms of x by root 2. Got it? Now see, this is also y, right? From here to here you have y. From here to here you have x. Now similarly this will also be y, right? This is 90 degree, this is 45 degree, this is also 45 degree. That means this will be x by root 2, this will also be x by root 2, right? This is the first equation. What is the second equation? The second equation will give me 2y plus x is equal to 2, because if you look at this BC, okay, just look at BC. BC is 2 meters. Why? We are given in the question that the side of the square is 2 meter. So BC is 2 meter, and what is BC? BC is basically x plus 2y, which I have written here already, right? Now substitute the value of, we need to find the value of x, right? So substitute the value of y here. What you will get is 2x by root 2 plus x is equal to 2. Take x common, you will get root 2 plus 1 by root 2, correct? My bad, not 1 by root 2. You will get x root 2x plus 1, right, is equal to 2. This is basically x equal to 2 by root 2 plus 1, or you can rationalize it and you will get 2 times root 2 minus 1. Whichever is in the option will be the correct answer. So let us see, 2 by root 2 plus 1, right? And 2 into root 2 minus 1 is not there. Everything is in numerator and denominator form. So the correct answer is 2 by root 2 plus 1. 2 by root 2 plus 1 is, hence option B is the correct answer. I hope you guys have understood the solution here. So like couple of things that you should know to solve this is basically you need to understand regular polygons, properties of regular polygons, basically how to find the interior angles of a regular polygon, interior angles, or how to find the exterior angles of a regular polygon. Okay. Second, whenever this is basically I have since I have solved a lot of questions on octagons, I have realized that if any questions are given in where you are given the sides or angles or area of an octagon, it's it may not always work, but it's generally it's I would say it's easier if you draw a square. Okay, like if you are given a regular octagon, suppose, okay, just just join the vertices, extend the vertex and join them to form a square, and then solve the question as per the given information. This way you will find it easier to solve questions related to octagons, basically regular octagons. Thank you guys.